Welcome back to Farm and Culture. Our summer series of cocktails is continuing right now. So there is a flavor that we have at my kombucha bar called the Amigos. This kombucha we've had since day one, since we opened, and it's plain kombucha, and then in the second ferment we add jalapeno without the seeds, and we also add cilantro, and we let that second ferment, then we strain everything out and we add citrus, lime and a lemon juice mixture, and then that becomes our Amigos flavor. So you can taste the heat of the jalapeno, but it's not crazy and burns your mouth off because we do take the seeds out. So this drink, we've had it forever, and I've had so many people tell me that it goes great with tequila. It's like the perfect skinny margarita. So we're gonna show you a version of how to make that so you can make that at home. So you can either start off with the Amigos Kombucha if you want to go ahead and second ferment that and have that flavor ready to go, or we're going to show you how to make it with plain kombucha that you can muddle anytime. So let's start with the ingredients for the Amigos Kombucha Hard. We need cilantro. We also need jalapeno, lime, a little bit of finishing salt, and then you're going to need plain kombucha, tequila, and then also triple sec or Cointreau. And I'm going to show you how to make a large batch of this cocktail because it's easier. If you're going to make one, we may as well make a whole pitcher, and then that way you're not, constantly having to remake the drinks over and over, and you can sort of enjoy yourself because this is the perfect drink to share with your friends. That's why we call it the Amigos, and it's easy to make a pitcher. It's just as easy as making one drink. So here we go. So you want to start off with some cilantro. And you always want to muddle your herbs first. And I am putting this into a French coffee press. So you probably have one of these at home. They're great for making drinks with, so you get, an extra use with your coffee press. So you kind of want to just put like a little loose handful. This is probably maybe a third of a cup. We're going to go ahead and, muddle this. Be careful when you're muddling this. The glass on this press is thinner than it would be in a regular glass. So be a little gentle. Okay, next you want to add in some jalapeno. Depending on how spicy you want it, you may or may not want to leave the seeds in. I'm just going to go ahead and use this little guillotine. Okay, for cilantro, and then go ahead and put in about a whole lime. So depending on, how big your lime is and how many slices you cut, I would say, actually I would probably tell you to put in like 2 ounces of lime juice. So however that works out with your fruit. Okay. It's nice when you muddle this together too because you get a lot of flavor from the rind of the lime without all the juice. So this we're going to muddle nice and gently because we don't want to break the glass. That is a major party foul when you're making the Amigos Skinny Margarita. Okay, and then you're going to need to add your sweetener. Typically, margaritas, they use like agave or simple syrup. And so I am going to use cassava syrup because I just find it to be a little healthier and I like the flavor. But whatever you feel comfortable with, simple syrup is just usually sugar and water. And agave is made from the agave plant, which is the same as the tequila plant. Okay, so we're like basically making a pitcher, so we're kind of quadrupling this recipe. So just go ahead and sweeten that to taste. You can always add a little bit more back into if it's not quite sweet enough. So you want to add in about 1 ounce of tequila per drink. I'm quadrupling this one, so I'm going to add in 4 ounces. And what I've seen recently too is I have seen like jalapeno flavored vodka. So you can definitely make this with vodka as well if you use a nice flavored vodka. And then you want to add your triple sec or Cointreau. So I'm adding in 1 ounce of Cointreau for these 4 servings. Okay, and so the last thing you want to do is add your plain kombucha. So we should probably add in 2 cups. I'm gonna put in 3 just because tequila is so strong. I just kind of think, you know, kombucha really mellows it out. So the other great thing about the mason jar is it has a little measuring cup built in on the side. So it's like the less dishes, the better. So that's 2. This is 16-ounce mason jar too. Oops. And then I'm just gonna add, as much as I have, it's almost, let's see, it's almost 3 cups, basically. Okay, so there is our pitcher of Amigos. So now we put the lid back on, and this is the magic of the French press. So this is gonna push all of our ingredients down to the bottom and strain everything. So now we're ready to serve our Amigos. The press will strain everything perfectly for you. You won't end up with any cilantro in your teeth, that's the worst. And then you wanna just go ahead and garnish this with a lime and some salt. I like to dip the lime in the salt. This is charcoal salt. It has that nice little added benefit of activated charcoal, which is detoxifying. Add a straw, and you're ready to go. So that was the Amigos Kombucha Hard. That is a crowd pleaser. So enjoy that one. Make sure you follow us on social media. Send me a message on Instagram so I can hear how your progress is, and basically if you have any tips for me. If you're watching this on YouTube, then leave a comment and I'll be able to get back to you that way. As always, farbandculture.com, sign up for our newsletter. We have lots of helpful links there to kind of get you going, links to our recipes and things to make life a little easier for you. Thank you.